Here I've listed some of the verbs in their infinitive form along with the stem or the root in the future tense. So all you have to do is learn the stem or the root, and you will write the future tense by writing the stem followed by the endings. The endings are the same. Do you remember the endings? It is AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT, ONT. So shall we try to write the future tense for these verbs? Let us begin with the verb être. What does être mean? It means to be. So we are going to write the future tense for the verb être. What was the stem for être? It was SER. So for je, we write the stem followed by the ending. For je, it is AI. For tu, we write the stem followed by the ending AS. So what does je serai mean? Je serai means I will be. I will be. Tu seras means you will be. For il, we write the stem. Why do we write the stem? Why is this the stem? Because the verb is être. For être, the stem is SER. So for il, it is, the ending is A. Il sera. It means he will be. And for elle also, it is elle sera. She will be. Next, for nous. What is the stem? It is SER, and for nous, the ending is ONS. It means we will be. We will be. For vous, we write the stem followed by the ending EZ. You will be. For il, we write stem followed by the ending is ONT. They will be. And for L, again it is SERONT. They will be. So it is very simple, isn't it? We just have to learn the stem and the endings. The endings are same for all the verbs in the future tense, so it is very easy. And we know the stem for the ER verb, it is the infinitive. For the IR verb also, it is the infinitive itself. For the RE verbs, we drop the E at the end. That gives us the stem. Followed by, we write the endings. For the verb être, the stem is SER. So we write the stem followed by the endings. So I hope you have understood the future tense for the verb être.